for Pier and radon testing, we actually apply that at a really flat rate. It's typically right around $75 to have your home tested for radon. Now you can go to Amazon and you'll find kind of DIY home test kits, but those are not calibrated and they're not regulated. So you can actually have some vast differences between home kits or over-the-counter radon testing kits and the actual hardware and equipment that we set in the home. So when we test for radon in a home, we actually have hardware that we set for a 48-hour period, and then that hardware is actually speaking over an application to our phone, so we're watching the live testing. And then at the end of the 48 hours, we sit down with the homeowners and in real time show them the results so they can actually see what has transpired in terms of the concentration of radon over the last 48 hours. Where the over-the-counter kits are basically just a color. It'll either change to a color after a period of time, and then you press that color against a color scale, and then that gives you the approximate concentration of radon. Ours is actually down to the micro capacity. So you can actually see the concentration and how it's changed and how the hardware has sensed the radon over the 48-hour period of time. And if it crosses thresholds, then we can sit down and create a custom mitigation plan for you to actually maintain thresholds that are below standard levels. So you and your family are ultimately safe from high levels of radon now and ultimately into the future, because the hardware that we set lasts a lifetime.